You are Alberto Lopez.
Yes.
Mr. Lopez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out, I'm sorry, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Is it being reduced to a first? It looks like it's being reduced to a first. What you must understand that this is still two. So if you ever pick up another DWI, you will be facing a felony charge of a third-degree felony, a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. If I were you, I would never get into a car and drive if you have even had a sip of alcohol because you were playing, you're taking a humongous risk. Do you understand?
Yes.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, there is no changing this. It will go on your record. It'll be there forever. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty and we'll send it you to the agreement. I'm going to suspend your ability to drive for 1 year. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Hey, Judge, and Your Honor, I was appointed to this case, and I don't believe my client's financial status has changed since he's been in custody. Could we ask the court to waive the DPS fee? Thank you, Judge.
I'm gonna- Good morning, Mr. Navarro. Do you speak English, sir? If you're going to play games, it's just not going to go well, man. You know, really.
Respectful, please.
Your lawyer's asking me to give you a PR bond, but if I know now that you're going to give me issues, I'm just not going to do it, you know? My soul, the only thing I want to do is protect the public. Do you understand? So your lawyer's asking me to, give you a PR bond, but what I need to know is if we let you out, is there going to be a problem with mom?
I'm also going to do jail release instructions. So if we could do a jail release order so that he can go to the Harris Center. Mom is right here. Miss Francisco? The main concern, Judge, he needs to get on his medication. So I spoke with Mom. If we can do a PR bond, I can do a jail release order for him to go to the Harris Center.
Blas is still here. Do you speak English, man?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Are you okay if he goes back to your house?
I want, if you just wanted to get him like a getaway, that's what I want.
So what,
I wish I could just find a place where they could find at least a month to make sure he is on the medications and stuff like that.
well, I can make it a condition of his bond that he's supposed to take his medication. And if he doesn't, then,
That's what makes him acting out because I can't force it anything.
well, I am now making it a condition of your bond that, Mr. Navarro, if you want to be out on a PR bond, you have to take your medication. If you don't, then no more PR bond. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much.
He's not he doesn't know how to talk to people and, his mind is like sometimes not there, you know what I mean? He understands certain things, but I just have a problem with him. He takes it out on me, not no one else, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to get him spraying on him because he's gonna be on the street homeless, and I can't let my son live in the street.
I got it. I understand. And I'm okay with it. Mr. Navarro, do you want me to let you out?
Let me out to my home house, whatever.
You have to understand though, I want you to take the medication. Do you understand? If you do not, Mom is going to call us, let us know, and then you're going to be right back here with us. So I want you to understand the only thing I'm asking you to do is take your medicine and be nice to Mom. It's not hard. When you take the medication, good things happen. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
You promise? I'm serious.
Okay, okay.
So mom, I'm gonna give you, or you were gonna give her your phone number. So if you have any problems, call her, let her know. She'll talk to me and we'll take care of business for you.
Tell him that if the cops show up, he's not gonna get out. He's gonna stay here.
Come on, everybody.
Yeah, you say that, Junior, because we're here in front of the judge.
Okay.
But you got to take life serious, Junior.
Mm-hmm.
That hurts me if you like this.
We don't want to keep you.
Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, but still, okay.
Next time you're getting out,
Okay, yeah, I know.
you better.
Okay, Mr. Navarro, make me proud, huh? Just keep taking the medication. Good things happen, all right? Okay,
Thank you,
yes,
Judge.
I'll grant it for you.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, any problems, just let us know. We're here to help you out, okay? Really.
So then they can't keep him in the hospital like for a
What we'll do
month.
is we can, we can do jail release where we'll take him to the, no.
I will go to my holistic department and we will find resources for that. But I did explain to her that the Harris Center would just take him from jail, do the evaluation. They can't keep him there.
Problem is that at the Harris Center, we can't hold him. We can't force him to stay. If he wants to leave, he can leave. We just can't.
I know.
That's why we will be in contact.
But they have resources at the defender's office to help you out. So whatever you guys need. And then just stay in touch with us if you,
I'm trying to get out of the journey, but I don't.
We will
find
help
one.
you. We can help you do that.
we'll help. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Good luck, man.
Judge, that was for Navarro. Any bond conditions for?
No weapons and take medication.
Yes, Judge.
The state wants to approach on administration case. I oppose.
Your Honor, we're asking to approach on Nelson Morrow, call number 255-0421,
255.
0421.
Okay.
Your Honor, he is wanted out of Multnomah County, Oregon on 5 counts of sexual abuse. He's got a $1,250,000 bond. The demanding jurisdiction has requested a 3-day reset due to staffing issues.
Have you had a reset before?
I'm sorry,
Have you had one before?
a reset?
They
No, Your
haven't.
Honor.
They haven't. I have no object.
Okay. I'll grant it for you, but that's it.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks, sir.
you.
Okay, are you ready? All right, bring it on. Rock and roll. Guys, if you want to sit in the, Ramona, you're going to stay there? You don't want to go to where you normally go? Okay. That's okay, Billy. Hey, do you know who the arraignments are?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it,
Okay.
please. Hey,
First one is Jeffrey Atkins. Jeffrey Atkins. Probably.
do we not, do you know if Felicia's here by chance? Pretrial, Felicia?
Trying for trial this morning. Good morning.
Okay, Alex, you ready? You want to start real quick? You were Jeffrey Atkins. Mr. Atkins, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Hey, good morning. This is Mr. Atkins, Atkins.
So on February 3rd, 2025, officers were dispatched for a theft. The witness stated he saw a black male steal a leaf blower from his driveway in Kingwood in Harris County, Texas, and place it in his vehicle's trunk. The suspect then got inside the back seat, and a traffic stop was initiated for the vehicle due to an on-view crime. The officer made commands for the individuals inside the vehicle to exit and lay on the ground until backup officers arrived. Both individuals were detained, and the defendant, the driver, was identified by Texas driver's license, and the officer located a firearm on the driver's side floorboard under the seat unholstered. The leaf blower was recovered from the trunk.
So we have a co-defendant.
So let me see. If there is a co-defendant in it. There is no other connected case, Your Honor.
No? Yes. Mr. Atkins, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case, sir. How old are you? I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to be in possession of weapons. You understand, sir? Did you want to apply for a court-appointed lawyer?
No.
Okay. Miranda's going to give you an application. I need you to fill it out for me. Do not, look at me. Do not pick up any new cases. Don't become a danger to my community. Otherwise, I'm going to revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Sir.
No
Sir.
weapons. All right, come on. Do you mind filing that, please? All right. I'm going to have you go with Deputy Miranda. We'll have you sign a reset with Billy, and then I'll have you take a seat out there.